My name's Will Hornby. I'm the project manager for Lagan Construction International on the Runway Overlay Project here at London City Airport. The period from contract award through to construction commencement was very short here. We worked very closely with London City Airport and their stakeholders, including the designers, airfield operations and security, to plan the works meticulously to ensure that we hit the target start date that we had set. The scope of work here includes the repair of the existing pavement quality concrete. It includes the overlay of the existing runway with asphalt. It includes the reconstruction of 4 existing taxiways and the construction of 2 new taxiways, the upgrade of the existing pit and duct system, the upgrade of the existing drainage systems and the upgrade of the existing tungsten halogen AGL to LED lighting. Our main focus here at London City Airport was the overlay of the existing PQC runway. That was achieved by mixing asphalt in our state-of-the-art on-site batching facilities. There was approximately 48,000 tonnes of asphalt that was site mixed here and delivered to the runway. We then used our in-house asphalt crews and laying equipment to lay that on limited nighttime possessions. Typically we started at 10:30 at night, would be access to site and works would be completed by 4:30 AM in the morning. There was also a weekend shift where we had an opportunity to get some of our biggest outputs, where we worked from 1 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon right the way through until 11:30 AM on a Sunday morning. Some of the outputs we managed to achieve here in those large shifts. On asphalt we managed to achieve 3,000 tonne of asphalt in a single shift. We managed to get 400 metres in on pit and ducting and 8 pits installed as well. Before asphalt surfacing could begin, we undertook pre-overlay works. That involved bay stabilisations, which was a new method brought here where we used an injection grouting system to stabilise bays that had shown signs of historic settlement. It also included targeted bay replacement where we would break out damaged PQC concrete bays and replace them with a rapid set PQX material. Due to the fact that the runway here was overlaid, we raised the levels of the existing runway and the existing airfield strip was then reprofiled as a result. Increasing the level of the existing runway also means that you need to bring up the AGL as you go with it. On nighttime possessions we would have teams here who would be coring out, removing the existing fittings, we'd be laying the asphalt down, and then on the same possession those fittings would be reinstated. On a nightly basis we would be installing temporary lines on the asphalt that we'd laid, and 48 hours after the asphalt would be laid, it would be grooved. Drainage works included the upgrade of some existing systems. It also included installation of new filter drains, new carrier drains, new gullies. Some 180 new gullies were installed on the runway. Pit and ducting works included the installation of some 7 kilometres of new ducting. It also included the installation of 150 brand new pits and the upgrade of existing pits. Due to the location of London City Airport here in the heart of London and its proximity to many local communities, one of our biggest focuses was to ensure that we minimise the impact of our operations. We worked very closely here with London City Airport themselves and the local authority here to ensure that the impact of our works through noise, through traffic was minimised. One of the initiatives that we did was, instead of hauling our aggregates by road, we used barges. We delivered over 30,000 tonne of aggregates via barges using the docklands here. That removed over 1,200 lorry movements from the local roads. We've implemented our behavioural safety programme, Stay Safe. It's been successful on the project. We've achieved over 250,000 man-hours without a lost time incident. We've had a peak workforce here of 140 people and averaged 110 people throughout the project. London City Airport has a single runway, which is critical to their operations. As a result, it was extremely important that every day we handed back on time. To achieve that, we had to sequence the work in a specific manner to ensure that the works were limited to be able to achieve that in that nighttime possession that we had. We have an experienced airports team here on the project who have meticulously managed the handover and handback processes with London City Airport. As a result, since the project commenced in June up until now in January, we've had no impact on airfield operations and handed back successively day after day. Lagan Construction International's extensive experience on airport projects meant that we were able to provide a high-quality solution for the overlay project at London City Airport.